So hello, welcome to uh, my code project. This is a compilation of all the code projects requested through Discord and most of the stuff I've been working on. These code projects will get harder and harder as the video progress. So be sure to stick to the end to see what's the hardest and most interesting code project I made. Let's get into it. So the first code project is fairly simple. It's one of the most simplest. It's requested by I think Soul Trucks here. It's arrow spleef. Basically, you just spleef arrows. Duh. Very, very, very easy. You just replace the block under the arrow with air. I really don't get why people didn't think of it, or maybe it's just me because I didn't see any people publishing arrow spleef. Not even TNT Run. Crazy stuff. Now for this next code project, we got rocket arrow. Basically, an arrow plus a rocket. This is the second hardest one. No, I mean second easiest. What did I say? Second easiest one. It's requested by owner 257. Rockets that can be shot on bows and a particles show. Let's just try it. Oh my gosh, my screen is really getting bad. Okay. As you can see, there's a lot of interesting particle effects and explodes at the end. Very interesting. Credit to Old Javelin, which is also a co-owner of this channel. He helped with the design of the particle effects. Without him, my explosion and all these stuff will look as ugly as how tasty Steve's Slackwell chicken is. Okay, we can also create interballistic missiles with this one. Basically, just super RPG. I mean, like, very cool. Bam! Explodes midair. Very, very cool indeed. Without further ado, let's get to the third easiest, or the third easiest, yeah. Welcome to the next code project, which is Moonstone stasis chambers. Yay! So, you might be asking, wait, how did you do it? Like, I thought Moonstone orbs will sink underwater.
Psych!
Wait, what? Yes, it is true. Moonstones now float on water. Try it out in survival. Okay, just kidding. Okay, just kidding. This is my code project, so I just coded the Moonstone orbs to float on water. Yay. Very interesting, and I can use this trap door to create a kind of stasis to allow me to, oh my gosh, what the, okay, oh my gosh, stop. Wait, what? This is open, so this is closed? Am I tripping? Hey, yo, what? Okay, so basically you can create a Moonstone chamber right here like this, and also something more fun. Let's just get a whole bunch of moonstones here, and then let's just create stuff like this, and moonstone explosive. It's gonna explode all everywhere. See, nice, it worked. So yeah, pretty cool indeed. Let's move on to the next one. So this is fire thrower or flamethrower. Basically, it's requested by goldenapple.png right here. And what it does is when crouching and holding this fire thrower, you throw fire. Okay, the description is not updated, but you crouch and throw fire. Now, if you throw fire at a person like this is my alt. he gets 1 damage per when you're attacking, and he gets a burning effect for 10 seconds. Let me just bam, and he got killed. Now, I have something very funny right here. So, if you know what, if you can get what I am alluding to, you might not be cooked. Okay. If you know what I am alluding to in this novel, comment down below. Okay, we're done. Let's get to the next project, the final and and the project that you probably came here for, and the project that is shown on the thumbnail. This is fireworks and Elytra. Let's freaking go. Basically, you can just build up. Let me just show you what I mean by it. It's a bit janky, but it's because of the technical issues. Not by me, by bloxd itself, because it runs pretty slow, so it's a bit janky. I have Elytra and jump down. I am gliding. Yeah, basically, that's my core project. For this is the most hardest. I spent so much time on it for such a simple thing. And I think gliding is because I'm holding this glider. So if I'm not gliding, as you can see, I can hold this firework, and I'm still gliding, but I don't have the gliding effect. So I coded this gliding by myself. So I just created custom gliding code that allows you to glide um, using custom velocities, which is in my perspective pretty cool, and it allows something very even more cooler, fireworks. As you can see, this is just fireworks, and this is just gorgeous. I can fly out in fireworks. The fireworks lasts for 3 seconds, and in those 3 seconds you can ignore all laws of physics. For example, I can just boost myself up like a rocket, and then I'm falling down. Yeah, pretty insane, and pretty hard, and pretty cool. So I'll be releasing all the code for all of these code projects I've done. So if you want to get notified when that happens, please subscribe. And yeah, that's basically it. Have a nice day.